One idea being talked about once again is allowing teachers to arm themselves in the classroom. Our Grace White is taking a closer look at the Texas law that, by the way, already allows this and why few school districts actually use it.
Enough is enough. Shame on you.
Teachers armed with their voices protesting outside Senator Ted Cruz's office in Austin.
Teachers absolutely are against being armed or playing the part of the police officer on campus.
Sending the senator this letter, making sure after the tragedy in Uvalde, their opinions are heard.
Frankly, it's too dangerous of a scenario to expect that our teachers are going to have the time or the energy or the funds available to get certified.
But in Texas, teachers already can arm themselves.
In response to Sandy Hook, I wanted to do something that would protect public school children.
Jason Villalba is a former state rep. He authored the bill that created the school marshal program in 2013.
We looked at what happened after 9/11, and we saw that the air marshal program, where you had an individual on that plane who was not known to others.
It focuses not on arming all teachers, but on arming a designated school marshal, a person who would be required to pass a background check and complete law enforcement training. But almost a decade later, Villalba says it's only used in 276 districts out of the around 1,200 across the state.
That there were not enough resources for school districts to get comfortable with this.
Villalba, now out of office, says looking at Uvalde, we have to do something.
There's no one size fits all. Gun control by itself will not end this problem, although I do believe we need some common sense gun control reforms.
But those views have cost him. Villalba was a Republican and a member of the NRA, but after he opposed constitutional carry, he lost his Republican primary in 2018. Reka.